Stocks and bonds are just a couple of ways to invest your money to make money. We are turning to Craig Bolanos, co-founder and wealth advisor at VestGen, for some alternative investing ideas. Great to have you here. I love this topic, Craig. What's your first idea to consider?
Well, Angela, you're right. It's a great topic because the 60-40 portfolio, it's not dead, but the 60-40 portfolio is certainly being enhanced. So for those who are looking to move past stocks and bonds, the first place we go is to access an asset class that we refer to as private credit. Private credit is nothing more than a core income solution that I think is ideally positioned in today's environment. For those who want to seek defensive, risk-adjusted returns using floating rate loans, for those who care about having a senior secured focus and who want a beneficial ownership structure, meaning something being reported on a 1099, private credit is a great alternative to core fixed income or defensive equities.
What about investing in infrastructure? That's a booming area.
No, when I'm talking about infrastructure here, I'm talking about diversifying away some of your public equities really into private equity if you qualify, courtesy of infrastructure. I mean, Angela, infrastructure is a large, addressable demand across the globe. It's predicted by some parties that there's going to be an annual spend, Angela, between now and 2040 of more than $3.7 trillion a year. And the infrastructure opportunity I think investors should focus on is part number one, digitalization. Data centers to power generative AI, agentic AI, it's going to be needed in such high demand. And that means not just data centers, but fiber optic networks, and of course, even the basics of cell towers in some emerging and less developed nations. In addition to that, there's still a move around the globe, maybe not in the United States, but other places, for decarbonization as other countries are looking to protect and raise their industrial complex. So think district heating, cooling, electric gas transmission. So I think investing in infrastructure where you can get some consistent cash distributions, get some inflation hedging, and some upside potential is a great diversifier to your core diversifiers in equity.
And there is a way to invest in industrial warehouses.
This is a real estate play. I don't think people need to invest in marinas and golf courses and Class A commercial office buildings. I think investing in a cornerstone of modern day e-commerce is pivotal. Everybody knows what an industrial warehouse is. It's those big concrete bunkers that have 80 garage doors that support intermodal, which is just trucks coming in and out every single day. And we know that the demand for industrial warehousing remains incredibly robust because of the huge e-commerce expansion that we continue to see. Thank you, companies like Amazon and Shopify, who are huge tenants when it comes to industrial warehousing. And when we think about this concept of fulfillment demand, it really is about having space for last mile delivery. And a part of the growth opportunity is profitability. I mean, as robotics and AI become ever more present, it's going to be easier to run those facilities for higher profitability, higher owner operating margins. And I think that makes industrial warehousing a very unique space. You can connect with us online. That's getretiredstayretired.com. That's getretiredstayretired.com.